right. There you are.
There you go.
Just how I left you. Still beautiful underneath, isn't she?
Yeah. Needs work.
We'll get there. It's definitely the fuel pump. Just needs a little adjustment. All right, that's secure.
Good, good. Let's roll.
Secure the chains.
All right, let's move out. Okay, that's good. Now we can get a proper look at it.
The chassis integrity is compromised here.
Pull up a couple more to them out.
Note the extensive corrosion on the quarter panel.
Come on, open up. Just a little more. Oh, finally. Finally.
God damn. It's worse than I thought. You see anything? Just a mess. All right, lights set, time to get to work. Let's see what's under here. God, this thing is heavy.
Careful.
All right, steady now. Got it. Careful. God, this thing is toast.
Careful.
I got it. God damn it. Finally. Let's see what we've got here. Yeah. Ooh. Good to go.
All right, hooks are set. Let's see what we're working with here. Slow and steady, master. Perfect alignment. Okay, that's it. Bring it out slowly. Steady, steady. Perfect. Lower it down.
"17 inches. Looks like we need to cut it right here.
Understood. Let's make it happen.
All right, time to secure this. Ooh. Watch the sparks. Looks like this should hold. Now to smooth it out.
Oh,
Perfect. Done.
Almost there. Almost there. Smooth as glass.
all right, stubborn. Got it. Now for the carburetor. Steady. Up and out. Looks good.
Almost there. Good work. Just need to tighten this last piece. Perfect. This is exactly what we needed. All right. Perfect fit. Good job, old girl. All right. Just one more turn. Done. All right. Perfect fit. Time to lock it down. Just a little more torque. Good. Solid. All right. After all that work, it's finally ready. A perfect build. Almost there. Just a little more prep work. Looks like we're ready. This is it.
Time for the final coat. Perfect. Just one last polish to make it shine.
Perfect.
That's the last of it. Time for the final coat. Almost perfect. Just need to smooth this section. All right, let's get this in. Steady now. Just needs to settle in there. Perfect.
Almost there. Slowly, slowly. Yes, perfection. All right.
All right, perfect alignment.
Now for the screws. All right, these beauties are going in. Perfect fit.
All right, that's secure. Now for the fine details. Perfect. Done. All right, perfect. Just needs the nut tightened. Looking good. Phase 4 is almost ready. Almost there.
Oh,
Perfect fit. Perfect fit.
All right, perfect. Just like I wanted it. Now, let's get it bolted down.
Time for the final connection. There. Locked in tight. Good as new. All right, let's see these babies in action. Perfect.
All right, just a few more turns.
Ooh.
That should do it. Solid. All right, just one final turn and we're ready to roll.
All right, time to wake you up.
All right, let's hear it. Sounds like music to my ears. All right, looking perfect. Just a few more passes, and this beauty is ready. Perfect fit.
Looks good, boss. Time to let some light in. Whoa! Thanks. Perfect. You ready for this?